welcome to my channel. I am Rachel from Rachel Thrived, and I'm so excited that you're here. I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 or 3 weeks because I was sick and then my voice was shot, which is still not 100%, but it's not as annoying as it was. So while I was on a little YouTube hiatus, I was selected to be on the Fabulous Planner Ambassador team, and I'm super excited about it. So this company is obviously a planner company, and they have like stickers and inserts and notebooks, like planner inserts, like pages and covers and all kinds of things. They have like a monthly box. I know they have their Go Wild box that's out right now. And so I was sent my very first package, and I'm so excited. This is my sticker sheet. So when you use the code Rachel Thrived, you get 10% off, and you get this free little sticker sheet. Now, she asked, give me 5 to 7 things that you like. And she listed out some examples like dogs or coffee or plants or whatever. And y'all, one of the things I said was naps. Okay, I'm gonna keep it real. I love naps, so that's why you got that girl in there taking a nap, okay? Because I love me some naps. And then I also said like fashion and plants and tea and anything leopard print and faith, but I don't think there's anything in here for faith because it's like, what were we gonna put? So here is my little sticker sheet. Oh, and crafting, I put crafting. I think I gave her more because I was like, I don't know if you can put anything for faith or liver print stuff. So anyways, look at this little cute little sticker. It's so adorable. So you get this for free if you use my code Rachel Thrived. Okay, so I use the classic Happy Planner. So she gave me the inserts that's gonna match or fit for my planner. So I got this cute planner cover, and this planner cover I think is gonna fit perfectly in one of my planners without being an actual cover. Like, I'm gonna use this as a section. Let me show you. Okay, so this is not my actual planner that I'm using right now. I mean, it is one of the planners, but it's not, like, it has the overflow in it. Okay, so I'm thinking, I'm hoping this works out. That is, okay, yes. Okay, so this is a little shorter or smaller than the Happy Planner cover, which is what I wanted, because I want to use this as more of a dashboard. Now, you can use this as a cover and it'll work as a cover. However, I want to use this as a dashboard in my planner. And so, because I use those, I don't know why I didn't have my actual planner in front of me, y'all. But I use like the dashboards to section out my planner. And so this is going to be perfect because I don't like doing the, what is it called? Like the transformer planner where you use multiple covers. I don't like how it all sticks out like that. And this one doesn't do that. So this is perfect. And it's like lemon themed. You've got a girl with her lemons and lemonade and all that, super cute. And then here is the insert, and it matches the cover. And so let me show you how these fit in there too. Obviously they're cut or sized or punched for the Happy Planner, and you just pop them right in, okay? And then you see it fits, even though it's smaller than this, these pages fit perfectly with this. And this one happens to be horizontal. And I like that it has this print on the background. Okay, so normally I like neutral. Like most of my planners are neutral because I like to decorate them. But I do use planners like this one, for example. This one is definitely not a neutral planner. Like the insides, I think I got this planner in the middle of the year. But anyways, the insides are definitely not neutral. That's not neutral. The dashboard, all these. The monthly, sorry. And I like having ones that are decorated when I'm not going to decorate it a whole bunch. So it ends up working out, even though I normally like neutrals. And honestly, I just like artwork sometimes. You know what I mean? Like, I probably wouldn't use a whole bunch of Happy Planner stickers with this because, I mean, I could coordinate some things, but it's not going to fit with everything like a neutral would. You know what I mean? Like every single week. But it did include, oh, and let me point this out. Do you see these little lemons? I like that they have these lemon slices here because I don't actually have to use check marks or anything. They are subtle enough to where I can forget about them and not use them. But they're also, you can see them enough to where I can use these as my check off list. You know what I mean? I can ignore them and I don't have to cover them, but they're the full color. Like this right here is obviously, it's got like a transparent block over it. And this is full color. So this is full color too. And it's all undated. So it's 1 month's worth of 1 month planner worth. So I think you can order a monthly subscription, and it'll come with your monthly inserts. And this paper is not like Happy Planner paper. It's, well, actually, it's kind of similar to this insert, but I want to say that the other, Happy Planner, yeah. Happy Planner inserts are different quality than their actual planner. Like this one is a little, it might just because there's ink on it, it's a little slick kind of, but not so slick like a plum paper planner. Not quite that slick. Like you could use regular ink on this and I think it would be perfectly fine. And I would test it for you, but no, I don't want to ruin my planner pages because I want to use these. Okay, so it's undated, which is awesome because I might wait till October to start using that. And then, let me set this to the side so you can see my stickers. I got this little box of stickers and they're really unique because they're not like a sticker sheet. Okay, so let's just, I'm like, where do I start? Okay, so we've got all these little, you got some repeats here. Looks like you got 3 of each. And I will say I know one fell out. So it might be like, well, there's one missing. But no, I know for a fact one of them fell out. I found it later and I didn't put it back. I want to say it was a sandal, but I'm not sure. So we got sandals, beach, these little rings. Oh my goodness, jellyfish. I've never seen that really in a sticker sheet. That's interesting. And you've got these little beach bags, beach umbrellas. This is a hat, the top of a hat. Look at this. Okay, maybe it was this that fell out. It was little, like bikini bottoms. Those are so cute. Okay, and then you have these little anchors. So it's very much beach themed, and I'm missing these. Did I have more fall out? Oh, well, here we go. Here's some sandals. And, okay, I might have had another one fall out, but it's supposed to be 3 and 3, okay? Yeah, it's supposed to be 3 and 3. So yours will come with that. Okay, so this sticker, these stickers, they're individually cut like all the way through, right? And the backing is that slick plastic, like plasticky cover or whatever. I mean, I don't know how to say this. Like, it reminds me of the old Mambi sticker covers, or like any kind of sticker cover that's gonna be like those plasticky stuff, okay? So it's this thick plastic, or even like almost like a cover. And then the sticker part is almost like a washi tape, which is really interesting because it's like washi. So it's not like, I feel like you'd be able to reposition it easy, but let me, okay, I'm not going to use the sandals because that would be hard to reposition if I didn't pick it up right, because it's a sandal, it might tear. I'm going to test it on, oh, I don't want to ruin my sheets, y'all. I'm going to do it here because this is probably an extra side, you know what I mean? Look at this little plastic part. Okay, so it's like a washi tape, okay? And then you can lift it up. Let's see how it lifts up. Yeah, it lifts up just like washi. Uh-oh, I pushed that down a little bit too much on that one, so it'll come out. So you need to be careful. It is like washi, but you need to be careful because this paper is super slick. Where did that little piece go? Okay. I could also stick this on my cover. I could stick it right here and it'd be able to reposition it. Okay, so that's that. And then I also got these really pretty washi tapes. Okay, so this one is lemon. Do you see that lemony print? I don't know if you can see that very well. Like, I don't know if that ring on there. I hope you can see that, y'all, because I can't see my camera. But that is a lemony, it's like this, pretty much, a lemony pattern. And then you have these like tropical leaves with a pink background. I can't think of the name of these leaves. And honestly, what I'm thinking of is probably not even those. It is those, but I can't think of them. They're real pretty leaves. And anyways, it has a gold foil on them. And it's like, they're kind of similar to that, I guess. Not quite. I wish I could remember, y'all. It's going to make me so mad when I like stop filming. I'm going to remember it. But anyways, they're real pretty leaves. And actually, I think I'm going to open this up so maybe you can see it better. And I'm going to put it on. I didn't want to open it because I don't want to ruin it. Like, that's so dumb. You're going to use it. Just, who cares? Let's put it on the back of this. Monstera leaves? Is that what it is? Ooh, I like this washi. Okay. And here I am, like, I don't want to tear it off because I'm going to ruin it. So dumb. Like, who cares? Anyways, I think they're Monstera leaves. I could be wrong, but I believe that's what it is. Okay, so that's, man, this is really good washi tape, you guys. Not all washi tape is created equal. This is really good washi tape. I'm not going to say any names, but there are some brands that I absolutely detest their washi because it's absolutely terrible quality. Like it rips, or like you can't even, oh man, I ruined, you know what, girl, that's the point. You're supposed to open it. It rips when you take it off of the, like right when you take it off the spool, it, like you can't even get it off because it's ripping. Okay, I should have used my little, okay. Okay, look at these. This one's lemony. So this one's also good quality. Yeah. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just, it's good quality washi. You know, there's like this washi maker that she mostly is famous for her washi. I'm not gonna say any names, and it's really good quality. It's really good quality like that. Okay, so you get this lemony and then those leaves, and then you've got these stickers, and then this insert. My little planner inserts and cover. And so I have an idea of what I'm going to use this section for, but I'm not going to talk about it right now. But I do have an idea of what I'm going to use this for. But I think I want to wait until October, unless there's an extra, because you know sometimes there's, I have to look at the month to see how many weeks I need. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4 weeks. Okay, so yeah, I'll have to look at the calendar to see when I'm gonna start using this one. But it's super duper cute. Yeah, so that is my new fabulous planner accessories. Don't forget that if you are interested in this, I'll link it below, to be sure to use the code Rachel Thrived. It's super easy. It's just Rachel Thrived. It's just my name. And you automatically get 10% off. And then you also get this sticker sheet that's super fabulous and will remind you to take naps, because naps are a wonderful thing, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.